Dear viewers, My Focus YouTube channel welcomes you all to learn the sound sh. Let me repeat it again. Sh. Sh. Sound is articulated with the tip and front of the tongue, close to the back of the teeth ridge. The air escapes between the tongue and back of the teeth ridge to pronounce sh. The vocal cord does not vibrate. Repeat after me. Shh. 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 Here are some sh sound words as the beginning sound. Here is the word list. Shoe, show, sure, shoulder, shut, shake, sheet. Now here are some sh sound words listed. These sounds can be found in between these words. Repeat it after me. Fashion, nation, official, information, education, social, commission. Here are some sh sound words listed here. Now this is in the final position, which means you will find this sh sound by the end of these words listed. Repeat it after me. Fish, push, finish, wish, mash. Now here are a few sentences with sh sound listed for you to practice. Practice it well. Shocking shouting should surely shake. This is a serious issue. I need your permission. She polishes her shoes and washes dishes on the shore. Continuous practice of the sound sh will help you to pronounce words and sentences better. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video and click the bell button to subscribe.